Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learn to Earn Minds. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI completely free for a lifetime. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're a digital artist, content creator, or just love exploring AI tools, this step-by-step guide will help you generate stunning images without spending a single penny. So make sure to watch till the end and don't miss any steps.
Open your browser and type Leonardo AI in the search bar. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. You'll be taken to the Leonardo AI homepage. Now, click on the Get Started button. At this point, you'll need to sign up. You can sign up using your Google account, but today I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI for free, forever, using a simple trick with temporary email. Open a new tab in your browser and search for temp mail. Click on the website titled Temp Mail Disposable Temporary Email. Once the page loads, your temporary email address will be generated automatically. Copy this email address. Go back to the Leonardo AI sign up page. Paste the temporary email address where required and now click on Create Account. Create a password. Now, click on Create Account. Leonardo AI will ask for a verification code. To get this code, go back to the Temp Mail tab. Scroll down the page until you see the verification email. Open it and copy the code. Return to the Leonardo AI window and paste the code into the verification field. Then click on Continue. Your account will now be created successfully. Once your account is ready, you'll receive 150 free credits daily. When your credits are used up, you can simply sign out, go back to Temp Mail, and repeat the process to create a new account using a fresh temporary email. This way, you can continue using Leonardo AI for free or as long as you like. Now, tick the two checkboxes that appear and click on Let's Go. You'll see a few welcome screens. Just click Next through them. Now you're ready to create images. You can select your preferred image size. For this example, I'll choose 16:9. Next, type your image prompt in the text box. I already have a prompt prepared, so I'll just paste it here. Click on the Generate button. After a short wait, Leonardo AI will generate 4 high-quality images based on your prompt. You can see how amazing the results are. To download an image, simply click on the download icon. Let's try generating another image. I'll paste a new prompt here and click Generate. Again, within a few seconds, Leonardo AI provides stunning high-quality images. You also have the option to upscale the image or even create a video with it, but these features are paid and require a subscription plan. If you just want to download the image, click on the download option. That's it. By using this simple method with temp mail, you can enjoy Leonardo AI for free, lifetime. Keep repeating the process whenever you run out of credits.
And that's it. You now know how to use Leonardo AI without paying for credits, just by using a simple temp mail trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI tips and tutorials. Got any questions or video requests? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.